Hi there, Cobby here. Today I'm going to be installing some new shock absorbers on my Jeep Wrangler. Skyjackers Hydro 7000s. These are really nice shocks. When your spring shifts and moves, they adjust to control the movement of your spring. Great shocks, and they give a nice smooth ride. But there's a little problem with them. Putting these in. These can really make your day, you know, if you know what I mean. But I figured out a way to make it easier so you won't totally lose it trying to put them in. So the guy in their video says take and put Vaseline inside here like this. Vaseline around inside here like that. That's fine, okay? But let me show you something. This is the real problem. This one's curved. It's for the back shock. It's a little bit easier to get in there, but look at how it fits. Really tight, so it's really hard to get in there. And this is for the front. It's squared off. It's even harder to get in there. But I'm going to show you an easier way to do this. And it's going to relieve you from the pain of trying to put these in. First we got a size 30, a size 26, and a size 22. And we have a C-clamp. Okay, we're going to do the back one first. This is the back one. We're going to stick this right inside the size 30. We're going to put this in here and start it. And if you have problems pushing them in, this is going to help you out a lot. Because some people have a lot of problems doing this, so this is going to simplify it and make it a lot easier. And you just put it on there like that. Line it up. Push it in. Turn the handle. Just keep turning the handle. There she goes. She's on her way in. And we just take this out. And you can see she's going on. Boom, she's on. Real easy. And we're going to do the same thing with the front one. Like I said, the front one's a little hard to work with sometimes because it is square. But it still can be done fairly easy with the using the C-clamp and this to hold it. It's a lot easier to hold it. And sometimes you can just push them on just like this. And then when you take it out, you don't even need the C-clamp. Boom, you got it on. But this helps a lot. So the next thing you want to do is put this on first. Because it's really hard to put this on. Prep your shock, you know, put it on the way you want it. And then they give you this nice little zip tie to put around here to hold this on. Pull your shock out a little bit. I just push that back that way a little bit. And then we're going to put this in. This is sometimes real hard to put in. It can be a real pain. We'll take the, what was it, 22, and we're going to take the 30. We're going to stick it in here like this. We're going to put the 30 on this side. Put the 22 on this side. We're going to get our vise and put our vise on there. So we got to back this out a little bit. So back your vise all the way out. And put the 30 on that side. 22 on this side. Crank your vise up a little bit. Sometimes you need a third hand to do this. That's pretty easy, really. Make sure you get the 30 right on there like that. Get it all lined up. Start turning the crank. Lining up's the hard part. It wants to slip off a little bit. But once you get it totally lined up, it's a piece of cake. Push it right in, just like that. And once it's pushed in, boom, you're done. You didn't cuss and swear. You got it in, and it's all ready. Okay? But in the front ones, this one's not as hard. You can put that one in with your hand pretty much. And once you get that in there, you can use the vise too on it if you like. I just run it down on this one and use the big one. Size 30, you know, and put that up there like that. He shows it just pushing it in. It's kind of hard to push it in. You can do it, but you really got to push really hard. I think the simplest way is to do it this way. You'll save yourself a lot of pushing, make your job a lot easier. This might be a little pain to line up sometimes, but it's not that bad. It's pretty easy. Once you get it lined up, use your 30 on that side. Crank your vise down. Get a little closer together here, and then you can line it up some more. And then just line these up. It's a little tricky on this side sometimes. But once it's lined up, just like that, you can just turn it in. Push it right in there. No problem. It'll just push it right in. You don't have to pound on it, you don't have to hit on it. There it is. All in like it should be. All ready to install into your Jeep, your truck, whatever you're doing. A lot easier way to do it than to kill yourself. And just need a size 30, size 22. Okay, we got it. There you go. That's how to install them. Fast, quick. that's one good shock to put on your vehicle. I'll tell you what. Beats the heck out of getting mad at it. Okay, I'll be out. Till next time, God bless.